DJT stock analysis and DJT stock prediction. What's next? I've spent 4 years into the market, thousands of dollars on courses and mentors, and done 35,000 videos over the last 4 years, documented everything to see what's worked for me, what's not. So you don't have to. And with the Trump media stock, we're sitting at 32 bucks, and like from just like a first glance, I mean, I'm aware this is like 2-hour chart and just really zooming it out, but this is how like we've been moving, right? We had a bigger expansion that really began September 2024. Work spread like kind of went down, and then here we are. Now, because we are here, what the heck does that mean? I mean, if you remember, I don't think that I have anything like DJT related here, but I do have like the WAC, if you remember the OGs, you know, the Trump media stock, the old ticker, but that changed. And the only thing that's gonna kind of save me and probably the bullish side here is going to be the price actually showing me signs that it wants to go up. That's going to mean the price actually increasing like from here on. If it does that, cool. If it does not, then it's also cool. You know, I'm just not going to force stuff. I'm not going to like sit here and just trying to like be overly like forceful. If the price wants to keep melting down, so be it. I'm still going to keep you updated, but this is like we're on the bleeding edge. Is like it's obviously still possible, so we're going to see how Monday is actually going to deliver. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.